Just became disabled and feeling overwhelmed? I hear you. Let me show you the tax breaks and money moves most people miss, so you can keep more cash in your pocket. First, benefits and taxes. SSI is generally not taxable. SSDI can be taxable if your total income is high enough, but many people owe nothing. A free IRS tool or a tax pro can help you check. VA disability compensation, typically tax-free. Next, the credit for the elderly or the disabled. If you have a permanent and total disability and meet income limits, you might claim this credit on Schedule R. It can trim your tax bill directly, way better than a deduction. Earned income tax credit. Don't skip it just because you're disabled. If you worked and your income is within the limits, EITC could mean a serious refund, even if you don't owe taxes. Child and dependent care credit. Paying someone to help you or your dependent with care so you can work or look for work? That may qualify, even if the care looks different than traditional daycare. Medical expenses. If you itemize, you can deduct qualifying medical costs that exceed a chunk of your income. Prescriptions, doctor visits, durable medical equipment, travel for medical care, certain home modifications for accessibility, even some premiums. Keep every receipt. Impairment-related work expenses. If your job requires special services or equipment because of your disability, those costs might be deductible even if you're an employee. This is a unique carve-out. Ask a pro to code it right. ABLE accounts. If your disability began before age 26, or in some states, 46, you can save in an ABLE account. Money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified disability expenses are tax-free too. Friends and family can chip in. It won't usually mess with SSI or Medicaid up to certain limits. Early retirement withdrawals. Becoming disabled can waive the 10% early withdrawal penalty on IRAs and some plans. You may still owe income tax, but skipping that penalty is real money. Student loans. If your loans are discharged due to total and permanent disability, the federal tax treatment can change over time. Before you file, confirm whether the discharge is taxable for the year it happened. Caregivers and dependents. If you support a qualifying relative with a disability, you might claim them as a dependent, potentially unlocking head of household filing status and other breaks. States add more. Property tax reductions, sales tax exemptions on adaptive equipment, vehicle fee breaks, these vary wildly. Check your state's revenue site and your local assessor. Action checklist. Create a folder, paper or digital, for every medical and accessibility receipt. Ask your provider for a disability statement if needed for credits. Run an EITC check, even if you think you won't qualify. Look up your state's disability tax benefits today. If eligible, open an ABLE account and automate small monthly contributions. You've got options. Don't leave money on the table. Save this, share it with someone who needs it, and breathe. You're not alone.